so lazy.
Oh, there we go.
Now we've got a reaction.
Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I thought it would be really fun to do a what I eat in a day as a ballerina. Of course, this is not what I eat every single day of my life. Nonetheless, these are the kind of videos that I actually got into when I first started watching YouTube. I loved watching other people's what I eat in a days as a healthy inspiration, motivation, and just to get different ideas for different recipes. Now today's video is actually partially sponsored by Dose Juices. Dose can help you create a healthy ritual by providing many options for your daily vitamins and minerals, all packed in an organic juice. I personally love having celery juice first thing in the morning, and as you can see, all of the ingredients within this Dose juice are organic. Not only does Dose juice value organic ingredients, but the brand itself is run by women who value health, functionality, environment, local economy, and happiness. And because I love you guys so much, I have a coupon code for 15% off your purchase from Dose Juice's website. I'll put in the link in the description down below. Definitely go check it out because I have been loving implementing Dose within my morning and daily routine just to help me feel rejuvenated, healthy, and overall on top of my stuff. This morning I had some oatmeal with some berries on top that we got from the supermarket the day before with some maple syrup. Of course, if you guys follow me on YouTube, you guys know that I love maple syrup. I'm Canadian, so I can't not love maple syrup. And then I have my celery juice as I answered some emails. Now, if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that a huge part of my morning routine is also my skincare. Especially as someone who moves for a living and usually has to wear a mask on half of their face, I find that skincare is one of the most important steps to my morning routine. I also like to change it up every once in a while. So this morning I did a little coffee mask from the Body Shop. It is actually titled the Awakening Face Mask, which is something that I definitely need in the morning. It has beads or grounds of coffee, which is super exfoliating, but also not super abrasive to my skin because I have such sensitive skin. This really feels nice on my skin. Then this is the fun part where I kind of play around with different serums, different moisturizers, because I kind of go between the SPF moisturizer or the Daily Glow Cream from Cetaphil, and I ultimately chose the Daily Glow Cream from Cetaphil. I learned this recently is that you're supposed to dab the moisturizer onto your skin so you don't tear it, and I always like to bring it down my neck as well.
Hi guys, I've been really liking doing my makeup on the floor in front of the mirror. This is how I used to do my makeup when I was younger, when I was a teenager and started doing makeup. So it brings back memories. Today, I'm gonna do a little bit of a ballet class before I teach today, just to get a little bit warm. It's gonna be like a 15-minute bar. It's not gonna be anything crazy, and I'm gonna throw my pointe shoes, maybe make a couple of TikToks. I thought today would be fun to do a what I eat in a day video as a ballerina. I haven't done one of those yet, and I thought what better time than now, because today's sponsor is actually Dose Juices. I'm so excited to be partnering with Dose Juices because it aligns so much with my brand and so much about what I do. As a professional ballerina and certified sports nutritionist, I take my health incredibly seriously. So this partnership and sponsorship means the world to me. So I'm so excited to announce this partnership. This morning I had the celery juice, which is an acquired taste for sure at first. However, once you get used to it, it tastes really good. Like, I like celery to begin with. When I first tried celery juice a few years ago, I was like, nah, how do people actually like this and implement this in their morning routines? But I find it really sets up my day really well so that I can create a healthy pattern with my routine and a healthy eating pattern. And as a ballerina and a dance teacher, I'm going from this place to this place, and I'm always on the go, and I'm always in a rush, I find. So it's really important to me to have something that's accessible, affordable, and provides me with enough nutrients and vitamins to help support my immune system during this time, especially during COVID-19. It's important to get all of your vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin D, vitamin C, all of those essential vitamins and minerals into your system. Super important to get all of your vitamins in to help fight any kind of flu and virus, right? We all know that from health classes. So I really love having these Dose juices. The one I'm going to have in between classes, because right now I'm going to do a ballet class and then I'm going to teach for an hour, and then I have a half hour. No, I teach for an hour and a half straight. Then I have a half hour break, and then I have another hour or two of teaching. In between that half hour break, I don't have time to make a lunch. Luckily, last night we meal prepped and did a lot of food, like ahead of time, so I don't have to, it's not blended. I don't have to worry about it so much. I don't have to be in a rush to cook. Again, that's why it's so nice to have something accessible and healthy and nutritious in your fridge. Also, another thing that's cool about Dose juices, I'll show you guys the box, but it came in a huge insulated box that helps keep them cool. Because I wasn't home when they delivered, or I think I was actually teaching when they delivered the juices, they were left sitting out for a few hours. And I was like, oh my gosh, I can't get them right now because I'm in the middle of classes. So when I went to go get them, I realized inside that there's actually freezer packs and it's insulated. So you don't have to worry about if it gets delivered that it's going to go bad, because it, quite frankly, incredibly insulated in my opinion. So then I just threw them straight into, oh my gosh, that was way too much. Straight into the fridge. And yeah, so yeah, I was saying the juice I'm going to have in between that half-hour break is going to be the beet one. I think it's called Samba. I'm really excited for that because I love beets. I love them. My mom loves them too. She always puts them in her smoothies. They taste so good. They're so good for you. I find since drinking these Dose juices, because they sent me a package to try before I even made a relationship with the brand, because they wanted me to be as authentic as possible. I tried the beet one, loved it. Absolutely loved it. And I found since drinking these juices, I've only been drinking them, I've been trying to implement them daily for the last 2 weeks. I found my hair has gotten softer and my skin has cleared up and felt more hydrated personally. So I have been loving incorporating Dose juices in my morning routines and my evening routine. The neat thing about Dose is that they also have 3 different levels to their green juices. So you can start beginner, intermediate, advanced. So I love the advanced ones personally. I also have a discount code for you guys if you use code Jasmine McD, Jasmine MCD at checkout. You'll get 15% off your order of Dose juices. And yeah, I'm super excited to be partnering with them. They're Takis. These are actually pretty good. Dates and a ton of other things. I can't believe people used to use these as makeup. I saw a TikTok the other day of a girl used, I think it was a beet for her blush. And I was like, I don't know how that would fly. Catch the reference? We live in the country with all these horse flies. I feel like they'd just be eating my face. I changed because it's actually quite cold in the house, but I'm still wearing the Kaz Designs sports bra and I tied it crisscross around and I'm wearing my Lululemon Align leggings. About to start class with Flex Space, so catch you guys in a bit.
Oh my goodness. You're a suck. Bye.
It is gorgeous out, so Steve and I are going to go for a walk. 12 degrees or something outside. It is gorgeous, so I'm just going to wear a sweater, I think. I am going to put on this fuzzy sweater from Roots, and I didn't have a chance to have that juice yet. It's still sitting, so I'm going to have it now because I just jumped from one class to the next. Pick me up before, ooh, it's bright, before we go out for our walk. This one's my favorite. Hey, do you want to go for a walk? Watch my teleport first. Want to go for a walk? Oh, stop saying that word. I know, we're going soon. Okay, we just got back from the post office and picked up Steve. I had to change my shoes because they got so muddy. So I'm wearing my winter/fall/spring waterproof boots with my cactuses. And we're about to head out.
Hello.
Do you have anything to say?
Hello.
Right? Look at that tail go. It's only going to one side, really.
It was so nice to get
there we
some
go.
quality outside time with each other, me and Steve, especially because the weather has been getting so much nicer. You can see in these clips that it's so sunny, the ice is melting, the snow is melting, finally. The best part is that it stays sunny until 7:30 p.m. In Canada, it usually gets dark around 4:30 p.m. in the wintertime, so when it's light out until 7:30, it is a blessing, believe me.
Thought it was David. Oh, she so wants to go.
Believe it or not, it was only 5 p.m. when we went for a walk, maybe 5:30, but it was no later than 5:30, and it was so gorgeous out. Elsa loved hearing all the geese. We took some bomb pictures, if I may say so myself. They were pretty cute. And then we saw this weird smiley face trunk that kind of creeped me out, to be honest. And being the jokester and loving boyfriend that Steve is, he loves to joke around and throw Elsa's poo at me. While preparing dinner, I had a glass of wine. We made some sweet potato fries in the air fryer. While I'm cooking, I always love having shows on in the background, and the show of choice today was a true crime show. I forget the name of it. Oh, it was called Worst Roommate Ever. It's super good on Netflix, and it's kind of scary, to be honest. So if you're not into scary things, definitely don't watch it because it's true crime. So it's real life and it's really daunting, but at the same time, it just reminds you to keep your eyes open. Just check in with reality and make sure that you're being cautious at all times. So for dinner, we had a lot of leftovers, but I still decided to make a lot of fresh food just because I was craving broccoli and the pischetti, as I would call it as a little kid, with the basil. The basil plant, by the way, has revived itself. It died last week and we've been watering it and it looks so healthy. Obviously, Elsa wants this food. I mean, who wouldn't? It looks delicious with this glass of wine. And the rest of the night, Steve and I just kind of hung out, watched RuPaul's, had some ice cream at the end of the night, which I forgot to record, even though it was super delicious. Actually, I did record it. Now that I remember, it was the Ben & Jerry's chocolate chip cookie dough. It was so good. We had some caramel sea salt chocolate and pocky, which is my favorite Japanese dessert, with some takis to satisfy our salty cravings late at night. And then we called it a night pretty early, like 10:30 at night. We went to bed and just relaxed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. And if you're going to check out Dose Juices, again, I have 15% off for you guys with my coupon code. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe and bye now.